Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Perfect Heroine Wants to Possess Me, Chapter 102, Part 1. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Uncle Chen. Right now, she was holding Ji Xiao. After having an argument with Ji Xingyun, finally, they caught Ji Xiao in their own possession. Well, let's hope she will not do bad things on Ji Xiao. Especially, she was still the daughter of Ji Xingyun. You who take the tunnel to my private estate and put Ji Xiao under the house arrest first. Lao Chen, how about we do this? Oh, it turns out I really want to contain Ji Xiao also. It's like a little bit revenge for Uncle Chen. Right now, Liu Hu. Of course, she can do anything but obey Uncle Chen. Ji Xiao was still sleeping. In the front car, Chen Mingyan. She was looking at Ji Xiao. What's wrong? She is still Ji Xingyun's daughter. Oh, it turns out this man, he will really took revenge on Ji Xiao and also Ji Xingyun. Your father ruined my benefactor family. You must repay this debt. Oh, this is really cruel. Right now, Chen Mingyan. Turns out he is not a good person also, but only really want a revenge. Yu Hu, right now, he was following Mr. Chen and said, alright, and continue to drive, goes to the tunnel, so they can go to the private state. Mr. Chen. Now, they went straight to the tunnel. It seems that Uncle Chen, he was really not going to do agreement with Wei Xingyu before that he will not harm Ji Xiao. Also right now, I'll take a nap and wait until. Oh, it seems that the trouble is smooth. Suddenly, Yu Hu's stuff. It really break heart. It makes sense right now. Mr. Chen, he was really surprised. Almost got an accident. Well, Liu Hu suddenly stopped. Why did you stop driving? Mr. Chen is asking him. We were forced to stop now. Liu Hu said to Mr. Chen. Well, what could it be? What's the problem? Why suddenly Liu Hu stopped? In the middle of the road. Liu Hu said to Mr. Chen, the one in front seems to be. Oh, did you really notice something? One who's stopping them. It looked like it was racing you. He was driving a sports car. Well, on the moment, Mr. Chen car already stopped. Liu Hu is not driving away from Wei Xingyu. After stopping the car, Wei Xingyu went out of the car. Liu Hu said, it's a Wei Xingyu's car, Miss Wei Xingyu. Oh, right now. Who is the one who's telling Wei Xingyu about the whereabouts of Mr. Chen? Right now, it seems that she really knows something. She went out straight from her sports car. She was really rushing through. Wei Xingyu, it seems that she was really prepared on this. Now, she was calling Uncle Chen. Uncle Chen seems to be acting tough. He don't want Wei Xingyu to know. Ji Xiao was on the back car. She was still sleeping. Wei Xingyu, do you know what you're doing? Now, Mr. Chen said to her. Now, Wei Xingyu, she moved closer to Mr. Chen. Probably wants to confront him. Right now, I remember it was agreed that Ji Xingyun was the only one to be controlled, and Ji Xiao was not involved. Well, this is what Wei Xingyu said to the agreement. Right now, it seems that Mr. Chen is backing off the deal. Child, don't be arrogant at this time. We're going to deal with Ji Xiao pattern. Now, you understand the truth. That blood is thicker than water, right? Also right now, Wei Xingyu looked like she was not really convinced. She is not controlled now. If we live with Chishao, she will definitely take revenge in the future. Well, this is Mr. Chen said to Wei Xingyu. Of course, right now, Mr. Chen will not agree with Wei Xingyu and Chishao are being together. Even if the blood is thicker than water, Chishao will never take revenge. Wei Xingyu right now, she was really confident. Then, she swiped Mr. Chen's hand. Wei Xingyu right now seems to be a little disappointed because she was on her side from the start. Wei Xingyu is trying to convince Mr. Chen. But, do you think Mr. Chen will he really agree to Wei Xingyu's request? My silly child, when Wei Xingyu brought you to their home, and now Chishao also lost her home. The two of you are destined to be a fool's lifetime. Oh, that was really tough. Mr. Chen is really going to be tough on her. Uncle Chen, you don't know Chishao. Chishao is not Chi Xingyun, so she won't become like him. Of course, right now, he's trying to protect Chishao, especially for Uncle Chen. Wei Xingyu, just listen to your uncle on this matter. Uncle is also thinking for your own good. Still, Mr. Chen, he really won't agree Chishao and Wei Xingyu being together in the future. That's why right now, Uncle Chen turned back away from Wei Xingyu. Now, he is going to enter on the car. But, who doesn't have it as a young age? Well, definitely, he has some point. When you see a bigger world in the future, you will forget her. That's what Uncle Chen said to her. Right now, it seems that she is not listening to Mr. Chen. Mr. Chen said there will be also a more suitable alpha for you. For example, Jin Nanfeng is the more suitable for you. Oh, this is bad. When Mr. Chen forced her to marry someone, and also, of course, she will choose Shao. But when Uncle Chen is going to enter on the car, Wei Xingyu suddenly stopped his hand. Hey guys, there's a part 2, just wait for it for a little. Thank you Kennedy Smith for supporting this channel and also joining the membership. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support this channel, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!